In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if your iPhone can't make in-app purchases. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, head over to settings, then get into screen time, and then tap at Content and Privacy Restrictions. On that page, you can easily find iTunes and App Store purchases, and that's where you can find in-app purchases. You can tap at that feature to open it up, and if don't allow is a check mark, just select allow to allow in-app purchases on your iPhone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.